Welcome to the world of one of the most misunderstood yet historically valuable coins in United States history, the Susan B. Anthony dollar, a coin that changed American currency, forever honored a legendary woman, and shocked collectors with rare varieties hidden in plain sight. Today we uncover why this small dollar carries massive historical power, collector demand, and numismatic importance that many people still overlook. Stay with us because this coin story is far more valuable than its face value. Let's start. First up, the Susan B. Anthony dollar, introduced in 1979, represents one of the most ambitious and controversial experiments in modern United States coinage history, created at a time when the government wanted to reduce dependence on paper money and introduce a durable small-sized dollar coin for daily circulation. This coin was meant to change how Americans handled money, yet it faced resistance from the public. From the very beginning, the obverse of the coin features a powerful portrait of Susan B. Anthony, a legendary leader of the women's suffrage movement, making this the first United States circulating coin to honor a real woman rather than a symbolic figure. Her image symbolizes equality, civil rights, and the long struggle for voting rights that shaped American democracy. Susan B. Anthony was chosen because her legacy represented courage, determination, and reform. She dedicated her life to fighting for women's right to vote, and her influence helped lead to the passage of the 19th Amendment decades after her death. Placing her on a dollar coin was meant to honor her contribution and educate future generations. The design of the portrait was created by chief engraver Frank Gasparro, who also designed the Eisenhower dollar. He portrayed Susan B. Anthony with strong, realistic features instead of an idealized look, which created mixed reactions among the public, but added historical authenticity to the coin. Around the portrait appear the words "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," which connect the coin to traditional American values, while the date 1979 marks the first year of issue. This particular coin, with AP mint mark, was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which resumed using mint marks again starting in 1980. The reverse of the coin features a majestic bald eagle landing on the moon, clutching an olive branch. This design was borrowed from the Apollo 11 mission insignia and previously appeared on the Eisenhower dollar, symbolizing peace, strength, and American achievement in space exploration. Above the eagle are the words "United States of America" and "E pluribus unum," which means "out of many one," reinforcing the unity of the nation, while the denomination $1 appears below, completing the classic structure of a United States coin. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was introduced to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar, which many Americans found too heavy and impractical. By reducing the size, the government hoped to make the dollar coin more convenient for everyday use, especially in vending machines and public transportation. However, the size and color of the coin turned out to be one of its biggest problems because it closely resembled the quarter dollar. Many people confused the two, leading to frustration, accidental spending, and widespread rejection by the public. Despite the intentions, the Susan B. Anthony dollar never gained widespread acceptance in daily commerce, and most Americans preferred the familiar paper dollar bill, which remained in circulation, limiting the coin usefulness. In 1979, three different mints produced the coin: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. The Philadelphia Mint produced circulation strikes, without the mint mark visible on earlier coins, but for this series, AP mark was used, making it historically significant. The total mintage for the 1979 piece Susan B. Anthony dollar exceeded 300 million coins, making it common in circulated condition, but uncirculated and proof examples are still collected and valued by numismatists today. One of the most famous varieties of this coin is the wide rim, also known as the near-date variety, where the date appears closer to the rim than usual. This variation is highly sought after by collectors and can be worth significantly more. Another notable variety involves the proof coin struck at the San Francisco Mint. Some early proofs show a filled S mint mark, which adds another layer of intrigue for collectors studying die varieties. Although the coin was primarily minted for circulation, many were never released and instead stored in government vaults for years, eventually being released through promotions and collector programs decades later. In 1999, the Susan B. Anthony dollar was briefly revived to meet demand for dollar coins due to shortages before the introduction of the Sacagawea dollar, showing that its legacy continued even after initial failure. From a numismatic perspective, the coin represents an important transitional period in United States coinage, bridging the gap between traditional silver-era designs and modern-clad coinage. The composition of the coin consists of a copper core with outer layers of copper nickel, giving it a silvery appearance without precious metal content, which was standard for circulating coins of that era. In circulated condition, the 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar generally holds modest value, often close to face value, but uncirculated examples can command higher prices depending on grade, luster, and strike quality. High-grade coins certified by professional grading services can be worth considerably more, especially those with strong details, clean surfaces, and no contact marks, which are difficult to find due to the coin handling issues. Collectors also value this coin as part of complete dollar coin sets and historical collections focusing on women in American history or modern United States coinage. Beyond monetary value, the Susan B. Anthony dollar carries cultural significance, representing progress, recognition, and the evolving identity of American currency design. Over time, public opinion softened, and today the coin is appreciated more as a collectible than a circulating medium, allowing its story to be preserved by numismatists, historians, and educators. The coin also serves as a lesson in public acceptance currency design and the challenges of changing long-standing habits in a nation deeply attached to paper money. For new collectors, this coin offers an accessible entry point into United States numismatics due to its affordability, availability, and rich historical background. For advanced collectors, it provides opportunities to hunt varieties, study minting techniques, and explore grading nuances that separate ordinary coins from premium examples. Today, the 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar stands as a reminder that even unsuccessful experiments can leave a lasting mark on history, and that every coin tells a story far beyond its face value. This dollar coin may not have replaced the paper dollar, but it succeeded in honoring a remarkable woman and creating a lasting chapter in the story of United States money. Next up, the 1980 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar represents the continuation of one of the most daring currency experiments in United States history, introduced during a time when the government was still trying to convince Americans to accept a circulating dollar coin instead of the traditional paper note. By 1980, the Susan B. Anthony dollar had already developed a reputation as a controversial coin loved by collectors but rejected by the general public, yet the United States Mint moved forward believing that familiarity would eventually lead to acceptance. The obverse of the coin proudly displays Susan B. Anthony, a towering figure in American history whose lifelong fight for women voting rights reshaped democracy. Her portrait on circulating coinage marked a revolutionary moment as she became the first real woman honored on a United States coin intended for everyday use. The design was created by chief engraver Frank Gasparo, who chose a bold and realistic depiction emphasizing strength, determination, and seriousness rather than beauty. This decision sparked debate, but reinforced the historical gravity of Susan B. Anthony's legacy. Encircling her portrait are the words "Liberty" and "In God We Trust," reinforcing the core ideals of freedom, faith, and national identity, while the date 1980 identifies this coin as part of the second major production year of the series. The P Mint mark on this coin indicates it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which resumed using mint marks in this era, adding numismatic significance for collectors tracking production sources. On the reverse, the iconic bald eagle descending onto the moon with an olive branch symbolizes both peace and technological triumph. The design originally celebrated the Apollo 11 moon landing, linking American coinage with space exploration history. Above the eagle appear United States of America and E Pluribus Unum, which reflects national unity, while $1 below confirms the denomination, tying tradition with modern design. By 1980, the Mint refined production techniques after feedback from 1979. However, the coin still closely resembled the quarter dollar in size, color, and weight, which continued to confuse the public and hinder circulation. Vending machines, transit systems, and casinos showed interest in the coin, yet widespread everyday use remained limited because Americans preferred the lighter, familiar paper dollar bill. The 1980 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar was struck in large numbers with hundreds of millions produced across all mints, yet many of these coins never entered circulation and were stored in treasury vaults. Because of this storage, many examples remain in surprisingly high condition today, making uncirculated specimens more common than other modern coins that saw heavy use. From a numismatic standpoint, the 1980p issue is fascinating because it reflects a year when production continued despite declining public enthusiasm, demonstrating the Mint commitment to the program. Unlike 1979, the 1980 Philadelphia issue does not feature dramatic design varieties, yet collectors carefully examine strike quality, luster, and die characteristics to identify premium examples. The composition of the coin consists of a copper core layered with copper nickel, which gives it a silvery appearance without precious metal content, reflecting cost-saving measures of modern coinage. In circulated condition, the coin generally trades close to face value, but uncirculated examples with full detail and strong surfaces can command higher prices, especially when professionally graded. Coins graded at the highest levels by certification services are increasingly sought after as collectors build complete Susan B. Anthony dollar sets by date and mint. Proof versions of the 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar were struck at the San Francisco Mint and differ sharply from the Philadelphia circulation strikes, adding depth to series collecting. The coin's historical importance outweighs its monetary value because it represents a turning point in how the United States approached dollar coinage and public response. Although circulation declined after 1980, production ended for circulation strikes in 1981, making the 1980p one of the final widely issued examples. The Susan B. Anthony dollar later returned briefly in 1999, proving that the concept was not fully abandoned and highlighting its continued relevance. Collectors today view the 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar as a symbol of persistence, innovation, and the challenge of changing national habits. For new collectors, this coin offers an affordable entry into United States numismatics with rich history, educational value, and availability. For experienced numismatists, it provides opportunities to study minting quality, storage effects, and grading nuances unique to modern dollar coins. The coin also holds cultural value as a reminder of the women's rights movement and the long struggle for equality in America. Over time, public opinion softened, and the Susan B. Anthony dollar became appreciated more as a historical artifact than a spending tool. Today, the 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar stands as a lasting chapter in American monetary history, proving that even controversial coins can achieve lasting respect. This dollar coin tells a powerful story of honor, progress, resistance, and legacy, making it far more important than its modest face value.